So we have wire here, speaker wire, in order to connect our amplifier with the speakers, and I have banana plugs that go into those binding posts on the output jacks on an amplifier. And I'm here today to show you how to mount those. I use 14 gauge wire that I got like from a Home Depot store, like, you know, where you buy this household stuff, construction. And I'm going to show here at the end how we do this. Let me zoom in a little closer. First I cut the ends straight. That should be a no-brainer. And then I need to get the insulation off there. Let me see this here with my tool. Like this much. Okay. And then the next step is there's a white marking on one of them. So I'm choosing to do the black ones on the one with the white marking. It doesn't matter which one. If you use white, black or red, just do it the same on all the cables. Right, on the other end of the cable you have to do the same then. Black goes to the one with the marking. You can do the red one too if you like. Alright, so the banana plug, we unscrew the back screw and put the back screw over here like this. And then we carefully bend the copper strands out like I show here in the video. And you want them not all in one corner, you want them like distributed well. Yeah, this is bad work already, but good enough. And then we take the banana plug and we squeeze this in here. Now we immediately see that it will get in conflict with the thread, but that's not a big deal. So pull this part back, the one with the black ring, like that, and then push it in all the way. And then we can thread the screw back in. As tight as you can. Like this, and then you're good. And it has a little window in there where you can see how good it worked. And let's do the same for the other one. Yeah. How do you like the music in the background? Yeah. Look. It goes over like this. And then you do the even distribution of the strands in a circle. There. Bend it around a little. Like that. Then you can pull back the screw. Plug this in all the way until you hit the end. And then push the screw in. And tighten it up as hard as you can. There we go. That's it. 2 golden banana plugs. Great value. I bought a bunch. 12 or 20 in there.